everyone, welcome back. This is video 5, review transfer views of the low-code builder mission on Pega. This particular exercise has to configure review transfers, view display a list of transfers authorized by the customers. Customers may not update the details of each transfer. Configure the review transfers view with 4 calculated currency fields. And those are the ones displayed. So let's get started.
Okay, so we're back in our case, and okay, so we're going to go to the review transfers step, and we're going to configure the view. Now, these are going to be all calculated fields. However, we're not going to do a repeat of properties we already have. So we're just going to go ahead and add them. Next, we're going to change these to read-only. That's according to our instructions. And then we're going to create a new embedded data object, which is the same thing that we did before. It is the equivalent of adding a field group. Okay, this would be called total currency calculated field. This is just a sum of amounts. So all of the amount fields will be added. We submit that. Oh, I was supposed to add another. The next one is called transfer fee charge. Currency advanced. This is a calculated field, and it is an expression. This would be the total transfer amount. We're going to multiply that by the transfer offers, not the transfer offers, but the property within it called transfer fee. Submit and add another. This will be called total cost of transfer. It is a currency. Again, currency. Calculated field. This is going to be an expression. We're going to use, and now the expressions that I'm using are the ones that are already in the instructions. I'm not making any of this up. I'm just going through as if I were learning it for the first time with you guys. That's going to be multiplied by the transfer amount. I'm sorry, not multiplied. It's going to be added. Okay, we continue. We got one last one to do or to create. That is minimum payment. It's also currency. Calculated field. Again, I'm using an expression, and this is the expression that Pega is telling me to use. It's total cost of transfer times the minimum payment. Minimum payment. Okay, we submit. We've got all of them. We save and run. Okay, so you selected an account number from the dropdown. These are the records that are on the data object. You select an offer. Again, these are also the records that we created. Continue. Now you want to give your account information. Amount. their account. We add one more. Now, the reason I'm adding more is because I want to make sure that I see the expressions, the actual expressions, summing or multiplying whatever it is that I needed to put in, all these amounts. Okay, so if you notice, these are read-only, right? Our transfer amount has been calculated. This amount should have been the sum of all of these, right? So we've got a total of 8,767. The interest total transfer fee charge, I selected the one that had a zero transfer charge. Total cost of transfer is only going to be the amounts that the person is owes. The minimum payment is based on the calculation, which was the total cost of transfer times the minimum payment. So I'm going to go ahead and create this, but I'm going to run one more that does have a transfer fee, so we can see that sum as well. Let's do that now. And here we go. So now we've got transfer fee charge, total cost of transfer, the minimum payment amount is going to be the total cost of transfer times the minimum payment rate, which if we go back to it, right, minimum payment rate is only 2%. And so to verify that, I want to go ahead and use my calculator. I just want to make sure it works the way it's supposed to. So 51,198.16 times 0.02%, 123.96, and we're done.
So thanks a lot for following along. I really appreciate it. Again, subscribe, follow, continue watching the series. It was really helpful for me. I know it'll help you guys out. Thanks.